President-elect Donald Trump's administration is making a decisive pivot towards cryptocurrency, marked by a series of high-profile announcements. Trump nominated pro-Bitcoin Congressman Matt Gaetz as Attorney General, signaling a strong move toward blockchain-friendly leadership. Gaetz, who resigned from Congress to take the role, has previously introduced bills for allowing federal taxes to be paid in Bitcoin. Trump highlighted Gaetz's track record on the House Judiciary Committee in exposing government overreach, aligning with his administration's crypto agenda. This follows the appointment of Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy to the new Department of Government Efficiency, further cementing a pro-crypto leadership team. Pennsylvania's legislature introduced a bill to allocate part of its $7 billion rainy day fund to a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Spearheaded by Representative Mike Cabell, the proposal aims to hedge against inflation and enhance state economic stability with an initial Bitcoin allocation of 1 to 5%. The bill, which follows the recent approval of the Bitcoin Rights Act in Pennsylvania's House, is now under Senate review. Satoshi Action Fund co-founder Dennis Porter highlighted that up to 10 more states are considering similar legislation, potentially setting a precedent for broader state-level Bitcoin adoption. Rumors are circulating that Trump's administration may eliminate capital gains taxes on cryptocurrencies issued by U.S.-registered entities. The policy, if enacted, would exempt American investors from taxes on crypto profits, potentially driving significant capital inflows into U.S.-based digital assets. The plan would benefit tokens like Cardano, Algorand, Ripple, and Hedera Hashgraph, giving U.S.-based projects a competitive edge. Industry insiders see this as a strategic move to position the U.S. as a global leader in digital assets and attract crypto businesses to relocate domestically. Together, these moves signal a transformative shift in U.S. crypto policy, with federal and state initiatives aligning to integrate Bitcoin and other digital assets into the economy. The combination of regulatory reforms, state-level adoption, and pro-crypto leadership under Trump could reshape the U.S. digital asset landscape and drive rapid growth in the sector.